Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be giving you a tour of my new place. We have moved in today and we haven't furnished anything yet. We moved to downtown and I love the view here. So let me just give you a tour of the entire place. So this is the door from where you enter. And immediately on the right side you have this closet where you can store your coats. So here there is a concept of den. So den is basically like this small room here that you can maybe use it as an office or for storage. It has a sliding door. So this is the den, and then you come to the living room and the kitchen. So I just loved the kitchen. So this is actually the fridge, and this is the freezer down, and this is the pantry area. Let me just show you this. Again, a few more shelves. This is the dishwasher. This is the oven here. Then microwave. There's a pull-out chimney here. So on this side of the house, so this first door, inside it there's a washer and a dryer. And this is the washroom. There's a bathtub here. And again, storage is pretty good. This is the bedroom. So we are still deciding where to place our bed because both of us will be working from home. So one desk will come here and another desk will come in the den. Most probably we will keep the bed here, this side, and the desk this side, but let's see. And this is the closet. So we need to buy a few storage racks. That is there, and they've also provided blinds. It's there for all the windows here, and even in the hall they have provided it. Oh, on top you can see there. And we can't go to the balcony from the room, but there's a small window here for air. Let me take you to the balcony now. So this is the balcony. So this is the view from the balcony. And it's a really huge balcony. I plan to keep 2 chairs here and a table. And you can see the CN Tower from here. And you can see the lake from here. So I love the view. So guys, for this flat, so we were looking for a range between 1,600 to 2,000 Canadian dollars. So this flat is within that range. And I love making house videos. I had also made a few when I was in Korea. So it belonged to one of my friend and she's also a YouTuber now. So I'll put her link channel also in the description so that you can check her channel out. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and for future notifications, press the bell icon, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.